Good morning guys. Today in this video I'll be talking about how we can differentiate between the microbes depending on carbon source, energy source and sources of the electrons. Okay, depending upon these three parameters, how we can differentiate between microbes. First we will start with the carbon source. Now carbon source means the carbon source can be the sole carbon source as carbon dioxide, okay, and either it can be carbon dioxide as a sole carbon source, or the carbon sources that can also be reduced organic or preformed carbon sources. Okay, when microbes use carbon dioxide as their sole carbon source, okay, they are known as autotroph. They are known as autotroph. This is a term has been used. When microbes use reduced organic carbons as a carbon source, they are known as what? Heterotroph. Okay, autotroph, heterotroph. Now the next part, that is sources of energy. If microbes use light as their energy source, they are known as phototroph. Okay, very simple. Light means photo, so phototroph. And if they use the energy from oxidation of either organic or inorganic compounds, they are known as chemotroph. Chemicals, okay, any kind of organic or inorganic chemical oxidation give their energy, so they are known as chemotroph. So phototroph, chemotroph for the energy sources. And the last but not the least, that is the sources of electrons. Okay, if microbes, they use the electrons from inorganic sources, they are known as lithotroph. And these type of microbes always found in case of the rocks. And another is known as organotroph, means they use the electrons from reduced organic matters. Okay, thank you.